Alrighty, I don't want to call this planning day one because honestly my planning for the next year starts before the current haunt is even done. But this is why we do it like we do it and plot it out in chalk so that you can see how dumb it looks. Things that look good on paper are not necessarily good in real life. So yes, this is definitely going to get changed up, but this is a start for the brand new facade. Yeah, so this right here, using things like this to map that out doesn't quite look so good. So, yep, as they say, back to the drawing board, and yeah, we shall fix it up. I'm getting glared at. So, as I said, this just means that we have to go back to the drawing board. Clearly, the whole thing needs to be brought out at least 2 feet because we need to be able to walk behind it. That ain't going to cover it. No, no. I don't know anyone who can fit back there. So this is like the side of it. If I didn't already tell you, we're carving an entire facade. At least the start of one. It's going to be epic. I can't wait. And it's based off of the buildings in my absolute favorite place to get inspired, Virginia City, the living ghost town. Oh yes. And it's very much alive. If you ever have a chance and you get out west, go to Virginia City. You must. I command you. So there's going to be a TV here as a window with some Atmos effects. Gonna look great. We're gonna have another one right here. This is like a just coming out part. And then this over here is actually going to be the entrance. But this doesn't work for me. Because in Virginia City, they have this special little things called, I'm guessing it's porticos. I could be wrong. But basically, the door is here, but they always have like a little porch thing that comes out, and it's usually ornate, very pretty, but it's, protects you from the weather while you're waiting to be let into the manor, or what have you. So that's why this only goes here a little bit, because this is going to be a giant archway, and then the actual door is right here. But this is not big enough, so the actual door that they go through to go in, that actual door they go through to go back there, which is actually the entrance of the haunt this year. We actually did it that way a few years. So I know previous years we've been going in that way and coming all the way around and coming out here. But this year we're going back to the beginning and going backwards. So anyhow, this is still going to be flush with this part that's coming out, but the front door that you actually go through is definitely going to have to go back a ways. So that means this whole entire front of the facade is going to come out, which we'll have to deal with a bit of driveway grade. No problem, no problem. We've had to do that before. We actually had the walkthrough haunt on this graded driveway for 2 years. So we got it, no problemo. I'm just so excited for this. I hope you are too. See you soon, ghoulies.